Welcome back, and prepare to be bedazzled, because today, another epic video is slated to commence. Today, I will be showcasing an artificial intelligence generated video that I produced in which a myriad of clowns are profusely roaming around a cruise ship. Are the clowns eminently eager to traverse through the cruise ship? Are the clowns keen on exploring the cruise ship? Do the clowns have a predilection for exploring the cruise ship? I hope that you are enthralled, bedazzled, regaled, captivated, mesmerized, amused, floored, and fascinated. I hope that you are entrenched in the underlying epicness. Thanks for watching. Have a blissful day.